Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Get ready to tackle any mess with the EINHELL GEUB 18250 Li E Solo Universal Cordless Blower. This powerhouse offers wireless freedom, making cleanup a breeze. With its versatile multi-part blowing pipe, switch from leaf blowing to workshop tasks or even grill ignition in seconds. The electronic speed control lets you adjust with ease, while the LED display keeps you informed at a glance. Plus, the soft grip design ensures comfort during use. And when you're done, simply hang it on the integrated wall mount for easy storage. Remember, a 2.5 Ah battery or higher is recommended for optimal performance. Get your EINHELL GEUB 18250 Li E Solo today and experience the convenience.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.